Freedom Fox 1, how many 40-second sets should HIIT? Great question. So you're talking about HIIT, you're talking about how many sets? Number one, 2 to 3 sets per week. And what's a set? That's the Freedom Fox's question. Is it 1? Is it 2? Is it 3? Start with 3 minimum. Work up to no more than 20. Usually for us boomers, anywhere between 10 and 15 is a good number. Bart, endurance training has been shown to possibly increase the plaque burden, but maybe make it more stable. Hopefully we can discuss that in a future broadcast. That is, this whole issue of, the endurance training, what does it do? Clearly it helps decrease weight and body fat, and weight and body fat are clearly major drivers of plaque and risk. But on the other hand, as we just discussed, it also tends to decrease muscle mass. So very subtle, a lot of balance there. Lucian P. So running marathons is not healthy. I'm not a big marathon fan anymore. I used to do it. And yes, you got to get aerobics. You got to get an aerobic base each week, 4 or 5 times a week. But, again, I was able to keep up a schedule of half marathons by playing basketball and some other stuff. But if you're going to do a marathon, you got to do hours and hours of road work, pounding each week. And if your goal is just cardiovascular fitness, you got to add more stuff in there. You got to mix it up and, again, consider just how much endurance, how many hours of pounding the pavement you need to do. Winning is exciting, but you know what? What you're winning matters even more. How about the chance to win another couple of decades of life? Healthy life, understanding the cause of heart attack, stroke, dementia, the major killers and disablers, and how to prevent those. You can win these courses to do just that. How do you do that? Click the link below, watch the video, answer the questions, and the more you answer right, the better your chances of winning. Give it a try. Win things like free courses that can save your life.